Hello, my beautiful, beautiful friends. It's Stephanie Whipple, your personal wellness advocate. We are here at Dōterra's Global Convention, Pursue 2020. This is the second day, and a lot has happened today. It's kind of been a whirlwind. A lot of fun things, a lot of moving parts, but before I talk to you about that, which may end up being a different video, I wanted to talk to you guys about the product reveal, which happened yesterday. So, I wanted to tell you guys about all the new fantastic products that they're having or they're bringing back, because there are some things that are changing and some things that they're bringing back. So, let's get started with that. Okay, so first we're going to start off with the Dōterra Balance Bath Bar. This is probably going to become one of my favorite Dōterra products, and I'll tell you why. It's because I don't go anywhere without a Dōterra bath bar. They're my favorite things to wash my hands with. Anywhere. I keep them in the shower, I keep them by the sink, I keep one in my purse. I love them so much, and I have all of them. So when I saw that this was going to be a new bath bar, I kind of freaked out a bit, and I'm gonna love it. I know I'm gonna love it, and I hope you guys love it too. Terra On Guard toothpaste. Now you may ask, doesn't Dōterra already have an On Guard toothpaste? And the answer is yes. But Dōterra decided they would take some things out and put some things in and change the look, and bippity boppity brand new. So it's going to be a 4.2 ounce tube with a new look and improved formula, and they added some wintergreen to it. So I think I'm gonna like it. Next we have Dōterra On Guard hand wipes. Now here it says a box of 20 individually wrapped. But I hear they're going to bring out a tube later, which is going to have 50 of them for people who need more. And I'm really excited about these because apparently Dōterra has had them before, and I'm too young in the company to remember them. So I'm really excited that I get to try these out for the very first time. Moving on, we have Helichrysum Touch, which is a 10 milliliter, and it promotes a glowing and youthful complexion. And apparently this helichrysum is sourced from a new location. I don't remember what it was right off the top of my head right now, but apparently it's a new location. And also Dōterra's never had a permanent Helichrysum Touch before. New limited edition Dōterra essential oils. These essential oils will only be available for convention. They may bring them in as a special once in a while, as they are so rare. The first one is Divana Touch, 10 milliliters. I've heard incredible things about this oil. This oil apparently smells different for everybody. Everybody smells the exact same thing in the bottle, but once it gets on your skin, it reacts to your own personal chemistry, and it makes a unique smell for every different person who uses it. So I'm looking forward to that one. And it says it creates a unique to you aroma. Next is Bergamot Mint, 15 ml, relaxing and restorative. I'm kind of interested to smell it. I wonder if it will smell minty or citrusy. Apparently it's not from a citrus fruit. It's from a broad-leafed plant. Little backstory for the next one. The next one's called Tulsi. And when I was in 4th grade, I had a substitute teacher, and she was the sweetest thing, and we bonded over our love of teas. And I told her about Tivana before it closed.
May Tivana rest in peace.
She told me about a tea that she enjoyed very much called Tulsi, and I expressed an interest in it, and the next day she brought me 2 boxes of Tulsi tea. I'm really excited because I have a great memory tied to the smell of Tulsi, and I'm super excited to see what this is going to bring. It's also called Holy Basil. It's going to come in a 5 ml, and it's warm and uplifting, and I can attest to that. It's cinnamony, but it's floral. We're going to move on to kits. Now, these are not new products, but they are new and improved ways to receive your loved products. Now, what these kits are wellness subscription boxes, and they have 3 themes. The first theme is mind and mood, and this is based around adaptive. And what's going to happen is for 3 months, it's $75 per month. You get a new batch of products that are based around adaptive, and all for mind and mood support. The next one is Immunity Wellness Kit. Now this one is based around, I bet you know, On Guard. On Guard is wonderful for immune support, and these kits are all around On Guard. The same as the Mind and Mood Kit, there are 3 progressive months, $75 per month. You can cancel anytime you wish to, but you get a new batch of products each month with more things to help you in that particular department, in this case, immunity wellness. The next one is called the Relief Wellness Kit program, and it's based around deep blue. So if you work out, if you have sore muscles, this can really help support your inflammatory responses to working out. Last but certainly not least, we're moving to the category of diffusers. First off, we have the Rome diffuser. A lot of people loved the Pilot diffusers, and a lot of people didn't get a chance to buy the Pilot diffuser because they sold out so quickly. If you're one of those people, I think the Rome diffuser is for you. This is probably the diffuser that everybody is talking about. I'll tell you why. It's because it has a charging port and it's wireless. Our next diffuser is called La Luz diffuser. The description says, turn any space into a luxurious retreat with La Luz. This sculptural diffuser creates ultrasonic vibrations, transforming water and essential oils into an aroma-infused mist. With a runtime of up to 8 hours, you can diffuse your favorite essential oils all day or night. Last, we have Dōterra Dawn Aroma Humidifier. Now, the Dōterra Dawn Aroma Humidifier is designed to create the ultimate level of comfort in any room. Its smart sleep mode maintains ideal humidity levels throughout the night, helping create the perfect environment for a good night's sleep. Let's talk about the convention kits. The convention kit contains the Dōterra Balance Bath Bar, the On Guard toothpaste, the On Guard hand wipes, the Helichrysum Touch, the Divana Touch, the Bergamot Mint, the Tulsi, and it also contains the first installment of the Mind and Mood Wellness Kit. So it only has the first one. So you cannot buy a diffuser or another kit that isn't offered in the convention kit unless you buy the convention kit. They're add-ons and they cost a little bit more money, but it's also highly discounted. So you get the best of both worlds, and the people who do get the kits and the diffusers and the convention kit get the oils that are not available anywhere else but convention, and they also get a sneak peek at all the fun stuff to come before October 1st. I got my convention kit and I'm super excited because I get to try out everything before it hits the market, and it's gonna be super fun. I did not get any of the diffusers because I'm currently in love with my Pilot, but you should know that right now I think it's only diffusers while supplies last. So if you're interested in any of those things, you should head over to the website and get those. That's it. I love you guys. Bye. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Remember, I'm here to support your goals of a healthy lifestyle, overall wellness, and a successful business. Do you have any questions about essential oils? Do you want to see more videos with me using Dōterra products? Please leave suggestions, questions, and requests in the comment section below. Essential oils support my goals for a healthy lifestyle, but you should know I'm not a doctor. Hope to see you in the next video.